Employer visa, just as the name connotes, means that a visa that can enable Australian businesses and employers to source skills from overseas, to source overseas skills to come and help them either on a temporary basis or on a permanent basis. To break it down further, it's also divided into business long stay visa 457, as it used to be known, is now temporary work skill visa, that is 457, which is available for a period of say 3 months to up to 4 years. It allows Australian businesses that have been pre-approved, that have been granted standard business sponsorship status, to fill in their vacancies, their genuine vacancies that cannot be sourced from within the Australian local workforce from overseas, provided that those candidates meet key requirements as to skills, as to English, and as to work experience. So that is for temporary work skilled visa. Then there is also the highly qualified employer visas, which is called the employer nomination scheme. That subclass is called 186. This is for mainly employees who have tertiary qualifications and who have at least 3 years work experience. Those people can come from anywhere in the world. We're talking about doctors, we're talking about engineers, we're talking about even bricklayers, because if their occupation is listed on skills occupations list or is listed on the consolidated skills occupations list, that means the employer can go onto those lists and nominate a particular occupation there. Once they've nominated that occupation, they have to file in for approval by the Department of Immigration. That means the department will establish that they are a genuine business, that they pay their taxes, and that they operate within the Australian labor law, and they do training to their staff. If all that is satisfied, they will give them approved status. That means now they are eligible to nominate candidates from overseas. So then when they have identified a particular person who can fill that position, that person also needs to have skills that is relevant to the position that is being nominated. So if we are nominating position of customer service manager, for example, somebody who has studied marketing or who has studied business administration and has worked in office administration and business administration will most likely suit that position. So this is how it works. So the employer needs to be accredited first, and then you have the candidate who is overseas, who also have to have the qualifications, work experience, and the English skills to fill that position, either on a temporary basis or on a permanent basis. That is how employer visas work.